Struggling to turn leads into paying clients? GoHighLevel makes it simple to boost your sales conversions. Here's the step-by-step approach. Step 1. Capture high-quality leads. Start by building optimized landing pages and forms. Ask the right questions to qualify leads and ensure you're attracting buyers who are ready to convert. Now, automate nurturing sequences. Set up multi-step emails and SMS sequences that nurture your leads. Share value, address objections, and guide them naturally towards your offer without spamming. Add one-click upsells and downsells. Use upsells and downsells in your funnels to maximize every sale. A simple one-click upsell can double your revenue without additional traffic. Use personal touch when needed. Combine automation with personal flow-ups for hot deals. A timely call or message can make the difference between a closed deal and a lost opportunity. And that's how you increase sales conversions with GoHighLevel. Smart automation, strategic upsells, and data-driven optimization to turn leads into loyal clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.